Hello, myself Akaashdeep an admin. So basically, I wanna sum it up in few sentences about what AADME is. So be it any field, you need a proper guidance from an expert, and the second thing is a mindset, a proper mindset. And AADME does that both for you. The thing is, AADME provides you a great mentor, which is Alok sir. Means he is just a super energetic person. He will give you the detailed insights of the digital marketing industry, how to grow your business, how to close high ticket clients, etc., etc., how to develop your good team, and many things. And also the proper mindset. The mindset training is also required for excelling in your digital marketing business or your freelancing services. So the ADME does it both. And I want to thank the whole team of ADME with Alok sir, Arpit sir, and Pradeep sir, rest all the faculties, those who have helped me in along this journey. Thanks a lot.